Brother Max are about to have a crazy Nerf war. Let's get into the action. By the way, we each get one bullet and a pistol. So let's see what we can do. All right, I'm heading to my position right now. We just started. All right, I think I'm just gonna hide right here in this corner. All right, let's go ambush him and see if he's got his spot yet. Okay, so I'm gonna try and find a space to hide in here. So, oh, I have a good idea. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's enough time. I've been waiting here for a couple minutes. Just gonna see if he's got a spot yet. Ready? Alright, let's go. Is he down here? No, he's not down there. Alright, let's go check over here. He's in the closet. Ah! Go. Alright, let's come check over here. Ah! Pause it. Go. Okay, I think we lost him. I'm hiding in this little corner. Pretty sure something's gone down. I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Alright. Let's make a break for the door. I think he's right on the other side of this wall. So I'm just gonna wait and see if he's coming. Crap, it's locked. Run. By the way, we each have 3 lives. My little brother's down to 1. I have to find a new bullet. Got one. Okay, I think I'm good for me. Alright, hide up here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think it's safe. I'm just gonna peek out. Alright, I think it's safe. Alright, let's go. Outside. Oh crap, he's coming. Outside.